So hello guys, welcome again. Kindly go through the disclaimer. So this will be the last video of this comparison series between both the versions of Kalashnikov. So finally, the original version ended at around 14k profits, and this modified version started from 41st counter till today's 51st counter, ended at around, if we calculate from all this, around 21k, you can say, right? So I guess 11 counters are sufficient to judge the strategy parameters and logic, which I wanted to convey to you guys, that if you want to lower the risk, you can add ATR filter. So I hope this video series will be helpful to you guys to decide any strategies performance, and how to improve any strategy's performance by adding some filters, right? So this way you can try to make a very loss-making strategy to a less loss-making strategy, or less loss-making strategy to a somewhat profitable strategy also. So you should do R&D in this type of strategies, right? Especially with buying ones, because in buying strategies, if you try to reduce the losses whenever you are getting profits, that will be huge, as you would have seen already with this strategy. And today also, as I tell every time, max profit went up to 11,000, right? So you should can put some kind of target also, like 2%, 3%. See, if this was the selling strategy, right, and the capital requirement was around 2 lakhs, many people would be more than happy to get 1% a day, or 2% a day, or 0.5, even 0.5% a day. So why not with buying strategy also? You can try that mindset with buying strategy also. And yes, this is algo, but if you are getting more than good profit, you can easily exit from this, right, manually also. All the talks like if you are doing systematic, don't interfere with system and all that, are good in ideal world scenario, right? If you are getting 6% or 5% on capital requirement, I would be very much happy to close the day, rather than expecting jackpot every day, and after that giving up 3 to 4% every day profit and ended with little profits, right? Because whenever there will be losses, we won't be quick enough to exit at less loss. At that time we will wait for our system to close the day for us, right? So losses can be big also, but if you know that this strategy can easily provide you 2%, 3%, so why not take control in your hand? I would lately I am thinking like that, like combining both the algo and discretionary, and I am getting good results. So rather than being totally systematic trader, I would be more than happy to be a mixer of the both, right? Systematic as well as discretionary. So that was my 2 cents for from my side. So now all the things I've already discussed, let's take a look at today's trades. And this was today's day. As you all know, today was also very volatile day, and this original strategy ended with loss, and modified version ended in profit due to our ATR condition which was added. So let's check the original version's trades first. So it took entry immediately at 921, and your major loss was due to this only, right? So it have given around 9 or 10k losses. So let's check 921. So I don't know, every day in most of the days in January, we are getting entries in original version on the second candle itself. So here also first candle crossed below RSI 40, and due to that, this in the second candle, when it broke the low of the first candle, we entered, and immediately market went up, and our SL got hit. So let's check the ATR at that time. So SL level was this, and its range was around 175, and ATR was at 63. So we should multiply 63 with 2.3. which is 144 points. So due to this reason, we didn't enter it in ATR version at 921. So let's check the another entry. So here second entry took at 10.06 and call side first entry took at 9.35. So let's check whether we entered in modified version also or not at 9.35. So no, in modified version first entry took at 10.06. So this entry, as you can see, also ended in loss, right? So let's check. So as soon as this candle, in this candle our SL got hit, immediately after this SL candle at 9.35 our RSI above 60 condition got fulfilled and we entered in this trade. Let's check the ATR also at this time. So this candle crossed above RSI 60. So lowest low value of both these candles would be our SL. So here also 178 points range and ATR at that time is 74. So 74 into 2.3. So 170. So we missed the entry slightly, right? And after that our SL got hit here after this candle or this candle closed below. Yes, this candle closed below SMA 10. So we exited at 9.55, I guess. Yeah, at 10 o'clock we exited after. Okay, this is the SMA 10. So in this candle we closed. So at 10 AM open we exited this trade. And after that, in original version we took put side entry which ended in profit, and this entry we took in modified version also, but this was the first entry for modified version, 10.06 entry, right? So let's check that. So this candle closed below RSI 40. So let's check the SL. SL is of around 149 points, right? And our ATR is 77. So 77 into 2.3. So 177. So that's why we entered in this trade and it was the profitable trade in short. So let's check the fourth entry in original strategy, original version. So it took at around 210 call side entry, and I guess, okay, that was the profitable one at around 210. Okay, so around this level, because this candle crossed above RSI 60 and above all the three moving averages also. So we took entry here and it gave beautiful trade, and SL was of 70 points only and ATR was at 63. So in ATR version also we might have get this trade, I guess, at 210. Okay, so original version all the trades are done, right? And its max loss once went up to 18,000 and its max PNL today was around 2100, right? And in this one more trade we got at 11.25 in modified version, which ended in loss at 11.25, which is around this level, right? Because this candle crossed below RSI 40 and due to that this would be our SL. In this candle we entered and our SL got hit, right? So one more modification I would suggest you guys to try, that avoid trades between 11 and 12:30 or 1 o'clock, because if you would have seen in these 11 days, these 11 counters, most of the trade which we got between this time period, like from 11 to 12:30 or 1 o'clock, most of them were ended in loss, right? Although losses were very small, but loss is a loss. So this is also a suggestion. So all the suggestions are derived from the chart reading only. So you guys can make one version like that also, and let me know the results of that. Also, we have not tested this strategy with Nifty, so you guys can easily make this strategy on Nifty and let me know the results, whether BankNifty or Nifty, with which index this strategy is performing better, right? Or whether it is helping you to diversify, like if BankNifty is giving loss, Nifty is giving profit, and vice versa. So let me know that. And so thank you guys. I hope this series was helpful for you guys to know how to make any strategy performance better, how to read notification logs, right? How to check your max PNL or max loss also for that day. So if you guys want, and if I get any slot, free slot from any member, then I will give you shared code of this original Kalashnikov version also. So I am right now archiving this in front of you guys only. So yes, this is archived. So now you guys won't be able to see the shared code deployment, because I have removed that as I needed this slot for testing another strategy. So thank you guys, and see you in some other next video on some other topic or some other strategy. So till then, thank you. Yes, this person share code is will be active for a few more days, I guess.